mash them and put them in one bowl. And then you need to add 3 to 4 green chilies. It depends on your taste. If you like spicy, then add 3, 4. If you like little less, then you can change this according to your taste. Next ingredient is spring onion. Chop them finely. Again 3 to 4 spring onion. Chop them. Add them in. Handful of fresh coriander. So add fresh coriander as well. सो ये पंजाबियों की खास रेसिपी जी आलू वाले परौंठे मेरी ये सीक्रेट रेसिपी सी जी अज मैं थोड़े नाल शेयर करन लगी हाँ। ये मैं 3 तो 4 आलू ले आ, विच स्प्रिंग अनियन पाया 3 तो 4 कट के, ते नाल हैंडफुल जी फ्रैश कोरिएंडर धनिया पाया। सो हुण मैं ये आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड फ्यू स्पाइसिस। 1 spoonful is coriander, this spoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon is fennel seeds in there, 1/4 teaspoon is carom seed, and cumin seeds, a spoonful of cumin seeds. They all roasted first. Now after that you can add salt to taste. It depends again. So I'm going to add these 2 small teaspoons, and I'll check the taste and then I'll add more if I need. I'm also going to add a little bit of turmeric, just to change the color of potatoes, and turmeric is really healthy as well. To make it really special, because it's my recipe, I add roasted sesame seeds in there as well, to give it a very healthy option. After that I'm going to add this handful spinach, chop them with knife or anything. So now I'm going to mix all these. So I have put green chilies as well, hariyan mirchan bhi paiyan si ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। So इन्होंने properly mix कर लेना, mostly when the visitors come or sometimes in Sundays. So this is called Sunday special. And the last very important ingredient is 1 red onion. It's not small, chopped. I'm going to keep it long. So this onion is going to give you extra flavor. When you eat these paranthas, you will have this crunchiness from these onions. You will love this. It is going to be a little bit hard to roll them in dough, but it will taste really nice. So always add onion right at the end when you are ready to make paranthas. So now my material is ready. On the other side my dough is ready as well. So you know how to make dough to make paranthas. It's the same like chapati. We make wheat flour. I have already prepared with some plain flour. This flour is special as well. It's 5 different grains in there. It's wheat, 3 types of millet, and it's chickpea flour. So all these 5 different flours is very healthy dough. So now I'm going to make paratha, and I'm going to show you how I am going to make this paratha. So when you will eat, you will really love these parathas. These are healthy parathas because I've added more healthy things, because potatoes are carbs, they are starch, they are not really healthy itself. When you add other things like onion, spinach, coriander, sesame seeds, all those things, spring onions, that make them really healthy. So this dough is healthy as well. So now I'm going to make them. So I've got a little bit of dough, going to roll like this. Material, this stuffing in here like this. Because onions are really long, that's why they are sticking out a little bit. That is the. So I have rolled it very, very gently, very carefully, slowly. Then it doesn't stick on the rolling pin or anywhere else. Keeping onion long is the USP of this recipe. So they taste really nice when they're cooked in the parathas. So I'm very carefully going to put this on the very warm, hot tawa griddle. So now it's getting ready on the griddle. Healthy option is plant-based butter. That's healthy, easily digest. So I'm using that. That makes it really crispy as well. So cook it until it's really crispy. I have put butter on both sides. Now I'm just cooking until it gets crispy. It's crispy enough now to eat. So eat it with freshly homemade yogurt, dahi, butter and crispy paratha. You will love it. It's healthy, it's not heavy, it will digest easily, and you're going to eat every Sunday. So do like and share and comment as well if you like this paratha. And if you felt a little